So, in case there will be a test of the emergency alert system, we will be putting up our tests of the emergency alert system, like this.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
When this opens up, emergency alert system will pop up. If you don't know if the emergency alert system's here, audio will.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
It'll conclude the test. It'll be so quick, you could feel your eyes once more again. Also, we'd like to show you something for watching our video.
Invisible.
I mean, I don't know, this is pretty cool and all, but I mean, I don't see the thing working underwater.
Plus, it even works underwater.
I'll take your entire stock.